Over the decades, geoscientists have been able to map out different depositional environments on the Earth's surface, but what if this can be applied to another planet? A good example is our red neighbor, Mars. Only half the size of Earth and with 2 moons, Mars sits on the edge of the habitable zone, which is also called the Goldilocks zone. This area classifies the perfect distance away from a star or our Sun, which has temperatures allowing liquid water to exist. From a distance, Mars simply looks like a red desert planet. However, upon a closer look, depositional environments similar to Earth can be seen. Most of the features seen on Mars are in relation to the past existence of water on the surface. These features are caused by eroded sediments, which are small grains of rocks and minerals that are transported to a different location via water, wind, or ice. This movement of sediment defines the kind of depositional environment. There are 3 main depositional environments: marine, marginal marine, and continental. Marine environments are based in the ocean. Marginal marine environments are found along the edges of continents. Continental environments are found in land or terrestrial areas. An example of a continental depositional environment is an alluvial fan. This happens inland when water flows steeply down a channel between mountains or hills, bringing down sediments until they reach a valley and spread out. This image shows an alluvial fan in southern Iran. This second image looks familiar. The only difference is, it was taken in the northern Hellas region on Mars. Floodplains are associated with continental deposition environments as they typically form around the bends of rivers. Over time, water erodes the bends, creating flat areas, so when the river floods due to heavy rainfall, sediment is deposited on the eroded flat area. Both photos shown are floodplains, one on Earth and one on Mars. The craters clearly indicate the photo on the right was taken on Mars, more specifically the region Cosse Valles, formed by large past flooding events, whereas the other photo shows the Zambezi floodplains in Namibia. Moving on to a marginal marine environment, much like an alluvial fan, deltas occur when sediment is carried via a flowing river until they reach an ocean or lake, creating a fan shape. The fan shape appears when the water slows, depositing larger sediments first, allowing the smaller sediments to create channels around them, forming multiple channels. This Landsat image depicts a large delta formed by the Lena River in Russia. The second image was taken in the Jezero crater on Mars, which shows a river system interacting with a paleo lake. Earth and Mars are not so different. Mars underwent a change that removed all surface water. However, we are able to see what the small red planet once looked like, based on the environments we have here on Earth.